What was that?
There's people outside right now. That was a car door. Wait a minute, they're not all back in the truck.
No, they're not.
Whoop! Tonight we travel to West Virginia, where me and my wife first stop off at a ghost town called Thurman, located in the middle of the mountains in the middle of nowhere, and explored. But now we head deeper into the mountains to find our campsite where we are going to attempt to stay in the haunted Appalachian mountains. But it goes terribly wrong. Welcome back to another Appalachian camping adventure. Is it Appalachian or Appalachia?
Appalachia?
Appalachia Mountains? Appalachia?
I don't know. Appalachian?
We are deep in the Appalachian Mountains.
Appalachian.
And I thought I just seen something moving over there.
Oh.
Did you hear that? I thought that sounded like a growl for a second. We already got dinner going. We just got here at like 11. It's super duper late. We just got done exploring Thurman, the abandoned ghost town of Thurman here in West Virginia. So right now we are deep in the Appalachian Mountains. We're going to stay the night here, truck camp. Right now we're going to cook up some meat. And after we're done eating, we're going to go out and explore the area a little bit. We have no idea where we're at. We got here super duper dark.
I'm not exploring the area.
You're not going to come explore the area?
No, I'm staying in the locked car.
Okay, well, we'll see what happens here in a minute. First, we're going to eat. So right now, we have currently set up our camp at the, what's it called, babe?
New River Gorge.
The New River Gorge, which actually went through Thurman too, my memory. New River Gorge, though, and this river has history too. There was so much bloodshed here that bodies used to be tossed in this river right here. And people were probably killed. There was so much killing going on in these days. This area was considered like the Dodge of the West of those days. Very violent times. History, a lot of history here. Anyway, but deep in Appalachia, which is supposed to be haunted. We're not even supposed to be out here at night, and we're going to stay here all night. And right now,
we're not allowed to be out here?
No, you're not supposed to be out at night in the Appalachian Mountains, babe.
Says who?
People from Appalachian Mountains.
Maybe they just don't want people coming to their home.
I mean, we're not going to anybody's house to camp. That is one of the things that's said, though, is like once the sun goes down, everybody get indoors. They also say not to whistle. Babe, you want to whistle?
I can't whistle.
Okay. We just broke 2 rules right there. We're out in the mountains at night, and we just whistled.
Breaker.
Just did it again. Anyway, let's check up on our food real quick. And I'm starving. Tiff's starving. And then we'll get to exploring this area a little more.
I'm not exploring.
You might go exploring. But first, if you like this kind of content right here, make sure to smash that like right now. Also, hit that subscribe. Join the family. And let's get it.
I did hear a whistle. think it's ready though.
Looks ready.
Yeah, it is.
Man, looks delicious. All right, so we just got finished with dinner, and now we're back at the truck. This is where we're going to be sleeping. We're truck camping tonight, but we got here when it's super duper dark. So me and Tiff are going to walk right around our campsite here. There's the river right behind us. We're right on the river, which is pretty cool. So yeah, why don't you guys come with us, walk around our camp, see what's out here. Bigfoot, my boy, maybe? Dog man? Oh, you know what, babe? Feral people is supposed to be a thing in the Appalachian Mountains. You know what that is?
Like cats.
Oh, there is feral cats. No, feral people. They're wild people. And they go around, and I think they'll eat you.
I was about to say before you said I think you'll eat you. I was like, you're a wild person.
These are super duper wild people.
I'm really tired. I'm not going.
You don't want to go check out what's around here?
In the pitch black darkness, no thank you.
Wait till we turn this light on. Hold on. Let's at least go by the river.
We're on a cliff.
We're not on a cliff. I don't think. Look. Let's see. I don't think we're on a cliff. That's like the riverbank right there. Babe, there could be bears down here. We just got done cooking up a bunch of meat. Hamburgers, hot dogs, onions, and mushrooms.
What the heck?
Oh, it's cool how sandy everything. Wow, look how smoky it is. Is that fog or smoke? That's fog.
You don't think it's from the cold?
Possibly, but it looks really cool.
It's really pretty water.
Super foggy. Yeah, it is. Pretty clear, isn't it, actually? Like, can you see in there pretty good? Wonder what that hole's from.
Wow, it is really clear. Man, that's really clear water.
It is. It's pretty.
It is really pretty. Shine your flashlight across. I want to see how... Oh, it's not that big.
No, it's not that. It's super wide. Ooh, what is that
Look
over
at the
there?
current, though.
It is
That looks
strong.
like a really strong current. Huh.
I
Yeah,
think it
let's
is
look at it.
dangerous to go in there because of the currents.
Yeah, you hear it?
Sounds like waterfalls everywhere. Whoa! I just about tripped over a rock.
There's a lot of rocks.
Wow, what is that thing?
Ew, what is that?
Grasshopper, maybe? Wouldn't it be... Oh, what if we found bear tracks here, babe?
Man, look at the moon. It's really pretty.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it in the camera.
No, not... I can never pick up the moon like
Oh my gosh, it's so
how I
pretty.
see it with the eyes. Stars either. What is that, a body? No.
A body.
A body.
It's a rock.
It's a big body-sized rock. You're good. Whoa, super zoom. You're going to bed?
Yes, I'm going to bed.
Duper.
I'm tired.
I know you are.
And I don't like to be out in the dark.
It's been a long day. Okay.
Here, you go find Bigfoot. I'm gonna go find Saint Pillow.
Saint Pillow? Okay, so Tiff is officially out of it. She has gone to bed. Very tired. And she does not like walking around at night. Especially when we're out in like the Appalachian Mountains. So, it's just me and you. Here's a cool little area. Check this out. Oh, look at those roots. Check that out, man. That's so cool looking. Whoop. Oh. Something just moved up there. Man, that's so thick in some spots. Oh. Man, it's really dark out. Whoa. This must be a place to maybe put a boat in, huh? I don't know. It's a little different from ours, but maybe. Is this like a boat ramp? Looks like a bridge over there. Not coming up on camera though. Whoop! Man, it is so dark out here. It swallows up my flashlight. Man, I keep hearing crap moving around me too. So, actually, I'm going to get back to the truck because Tiff's in there. And I know she's probably freaked out right now. Alright, so Tiff just texted, and I guess something hit the truck. And she's nervous and needs me to come back right now. So, I got to get back to the truck. Babe, what happened?
It's too scary.
It's the Appalachian Mountains.
It's just too scary. Please come in. And
Did-
stop filming me.
What hit the truck? What was you talking about? Okay, these are our water bottles. Okay, I'm coming.
Leave the door open.
All right, so you can see what we're working with tonight. This is what we got. Pretty nice though. Laid the seats down. Got a bunch of blankets. Oh. More spiders?
No.
Hey, babe.
What?
Are you happy you came?
No. Lock the door.
Edit. Door. Manual?
Yeah.
Manual locks, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can't use the lock when you're inside the car.
Manual locks, all right. How you doing?
Yeah.
There you are.
It's cold.
Anyway, I did hear some weird things out there. There was a weird guy driving around. I didn't get it on camera. I was telling Tiff about it. And he pulled right up to the car for a minute. How do you feel about that?
It's creepy.
I know it's creepy. Anyway, so I'll turn the camera back on if anything crazy happens. But if not, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. And if you did, do me a favor, smash that like. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a decent job. Until next time.
What was that?
There's people outside right now. That was a car door. What are they doing? Man, is it that same?
It's the same truck.
Okay. Oh, that's creepy. What are they? Oh, now they're outside but without flashlights. One dude's walking around with no flashlight. It looks like we ain't getting to sleep yet, babe. Huh? What's the deal with this? Or maybe they're burying a body.
You're so funny.
Sandy ground.
Man, it does look like there's a ton of people in that car. There's still people in the car. You can see them.
Wait a minute. They're not all back in the truck.
No, they're not.
All right, man. Well, this just got interesting. I don't like having this light on.
Yeah, turn it off.
So, hey, I'm going to shut everything down, but
Turn off the light.
Hey, hold on. I'll keep you informed, though, if anything nutty happens.
No, you're not informing anybody.
I'm
Turn
informing
off the
them.
light.
We're documenting this.
Turn off the light.
We could have 8 people burying 2 bodies right now. 3:30 a.m. Tiff awoke to multiple people walking around our truck with no flashlights. Needless to say, she woke me up immediately. I didn't have time to film it, even have time to think. We jumped in the front seat. We hightailed it out of the location and drove all the way home from there with only like a couple hours of bad sleep maybe. But we did make it out safely, and that is one of the dangers of camping that you can come across. Now, if you guys haven't seen the video of me and Tiff exploring the ghost town right before heading to this spot here, the link to that will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do me a favor, smash that like. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a decent job. Good night.